So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to exchange currency through the Moomoo application. So open up Moomoo. Once that is done, go to the bottom bar and press on accounts. Once you're here, you might be on the assets page, for instance. Simply just go ahead and press on more. Now once you're here, under funds right here, you actually want to press the purple exchange logo. Now once you're here, it's going to bring you to this screen where you can actually change the currency. So if you wanted to change from Canadian to American, you can go ahead and do that. You can see, of course, the exchange rate, all that kind of stuff. You can, of course, change this from American to Canadian as well, whatever the case may be. And then you can submit it. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to exchange currency through Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.